everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm out in my garden. It's such a beautiful day. I thought I'd knock up a quick breakfast. Yep, a fry up. And if you'd like to see more of my garden, just check out the link down below in the description and you can see loads of it. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and I'm hoping you'd like to subscribe too. So we're going to need some eggs, some bacon, a couple of sausages, some tomatoes out of a tin, some mushrooms out of a tin, and some homemade bread. So here's the barbecue. On we go with a pan and put in some sausages and some bacon. 2 pieces? Nah, 3. Let's push the boat out. On we go with a pan of tomatoes and our mushrooms. We'll get them warming up. Keep the bacon turned over, make it nice and crispy. Yeah, not too crispy, just how I like it really. Turn those little sausages, get them cooked right through and browned all the way over. Keep moving these about a bit, get them nicely cooked. Don't forget that bit of stirring. Lovely. Right. Off they go, and I'm going to pop them into this loaf tin. I'll put them on this little shelf here. Keeps them ticking over, keeps them nice and warm while I can carry on with the rest of the cooking. There we go, in with the sausages. Right, back to the pan. In we go with the eggs. 3 eggs if we've got room. I can tuck another one in that corner. Trouble is they all join together, don't they? So what I'll do is just try and separate them a bit with this spatula. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Get it off the bottom of the pan there. Don't break it, whatever you do. I hate it when an egg breaks, don't you? And there it is. Now we can plate it up. On with the egg. And some mushrooms. And some tomatoes. And another tomato. And don't forget some juice. I love the juice. Oh yes. There's the sausage. Bacon. Another bit of bacon, please. And I've only got 1 sausage. Ah, that's better. That's more like it. Tuck that in. Oh, look at this. This will start my Sunday off. And keep me going till dinner time. I just need a mug of tea and a slice of homemade bread. Now that's what I like to see. An empty plate.